Hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon to stay updated to the Tech Pod. Whenever I ask someone, can I edit a video in Photoshop? It is 99% no. But actually we can. We can edit videos in Photoshop. So let's get started. What you need to do is create a new project. Here I click on create new. Then it will ask to choose the size. Now as I'm using the latest version of Photoshop, it is giving me these options. But in the older versions you just need to click on Ctrl N and it will give you the option of various sizes. I'll choose a 1280 by 720, then click over the create. Now it will open up this. Pressing the Ctrl H, it will hide the guidelines. Now what you need to do is just go to window and then you need to search for timeline. This is the option which brings up video editing in Photoshop. Now clicking on the timeline, it creates this beautiful menu where you can put up your videos and later on you can edit them, add every effect just like you're adding effects on your photos. It will be just multiple photos, like thousands and thousands of photos put up on the timeline. So clicking on this button, you will get this layer that you have created. Now I can put up my video over here, just clicking on this and then add media. Now I'll select a media from my system like this one and click on open. Now it will load the media within a few seconds. Now that the media is loaded, you can see it right here. Now first thing that you should do is just click over this setting and resolution, set it to 25%. It is the playback resolution in real time. So we are setting it to 25% so that it should not lag so much. Now just click over Ctrl 0 to fit it to the screen. Now we can actually delete the layer 0 as it is of no use. Now we are having this layer over here. It is like just a stack of photos or a queue of images. Now we can add all the effects that we were adding over the images. Just click over this and add a curves layer. Over here we can add something like this, and we can add something more like let's just click over there and I can load from my system also, like load 3D LUT. I'm having some of the LUTs on my system. I'll just add it like this teal orange. It will create this beautiful effect. Now you can actually change the opacity or you can add masks, everything. You can do everything that you were doing on your images, same on this video. Now how will I get exported this video? For that you have to go to file, then find the export option. Here you will get this render video option right here. Now click over this and within a few seconds it will ask for various options like format. It would be better to choose H.264, then presets like high quality or whatever you want, and you can get this YouTube option also. See these YouTube 720p 1080p, these are like presets given in Photoshop. Actually you will get these presets in every software like Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro, everything. Now there are many options more. You can just set it according to your requirement, then click on this render menu. It will take a while to render the video as it will go frame by frame or photo by photo applying those effects. And as there are thousands and thousands of photos, applying the effects on every photo or frame will take some time. So now that the render is over, we can actually see the video and see how the colors are modified. So this has been edited. I'm playing the video. So this is the edited video. I have not added much effects like a stabilization or anything else. I have just added curve and LUT. So that's all in this video. Later on I'll upload more video editing tutorials of Photoshop, like adding transformations and other effects. So thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel and share this video with your photographer friends.